stop what you're doing right now with ChatGPT. Google just dropped Gemini 3 and is absolutely crushing their competitor in every benchmark. I spent the last few hours from the launch testing and I found that it will change how you work forever. From the app to Google AI Studio, I create my custom creation in few seconds with few prompts. Google announced that with these models, you will have 3 core features: learn anything, build anything, and plan anything. And they launch immediately, so we don't need to wait so long, because on the Gemini app is available for all Google AI Pro subscriber and for Ultra subscriber in the AI mode in search. For developers, Gemini IP will be in the AI Studio, as I did here, and I will explain in a few seconds how to do it. And for enterprise, in Vertex AI and Gemini Enterprise. And another good thing for developers is Antigravity and Gemini in command line interface. So let's go and I will show each of them for you. As you can see now in the monitor, in the small smartphone monitor on the right, I create a prompt for Gemini IP app, and I create an app for trading cards, how it can work. So it's just a basic prototyping. As you can see, you have the preview immediately. While if I go in the interface here, you can see the same apps, but if I try to create a new one and ask for the preview, it's not working. You see how to create and it give you all the file for creating. The one from mobile, as you can see, is previewing correctly. If you don't have a subscription, don't worry. You can try for free in Google AI Studio. How to do it? Open the link above here and you will see that you have try Gemini and you can test it out with the normal prompt. Unless you want to create something, you need to click here, build, and you just add a prompt. So here, for example, I just add a prompt create before in the app and ask to create. You will see the features, the list of all features that I add in my prompt and how he will achieve it while it's still running in thinking mode. Meanwhile, we are waiting for the creation that is almost on the way. I want to introduce other things Google launched. Google Antigravity is a new next generation EDA and is crazy good. It works for any platform, so it's interfacing with Visual Studio. I already installed for myself, and as you can see, it's the same interface as a Visual Studio. You can connect GTab, GLab, or your own folder. As you can see, I have some of my small project, and you can see here, you have already the AI model. The other great thing is it can work in browser or just in Visual Studio, and it's up to you. If I remember correctly, you need to go in the settings and you can ask how you want the models to work, and you have the planning fast, but before when you install, you have the interface. I will make a separate video, but let me know what you're testing right now with Gemini 3, and I want to see in the comments some of your examples. I'm really excited. In the meantime, let's go back in the Google AI Studio, and as you can see, boom, the app is created as my prompt I want. Some images, find traders, how to trade. So there is a mock-up. I want to trade this card. I can add cash up, and then there is all to check the fairness. So that is cool. I didn't ask for these features, and you can see that Profus Oak say the trade is not fair because probably it checked based on the card market price, which is good. You can remove these features, you can add, and as you can see here, you have the suggestion how to improve or what is good for your app. That is good. You need to be a little bit good in coding if you're working that, because you cannot just deploy and publish. There is a lot of decoding it, but with Google AI Studio and Gemini app, you can debug a lot and learn at the same time. So it's a new era for everyone. You don't need always to know all programming language, but you know, I am not the greatest in programming, but I start to develop a lot. And I will make more tutorials to guide you. So please put a like on this video, subscribe, and check all my tutorials in the playlist for AI. And thank you again.